Welcome back, Vivos. In today's video, we are going to start with a new scheduler. We have completed the test for the XCS BPF land, XCS Flash, XCS LAVD. Now we are going to do the test for the XCS P2DQ. So it is LAVD scheduler only, but the variant is XCS P2DQ, and there is a special scheduler flag called keep running. So we are now going to test this. We have to apply this scheduler to the system along with the variant and the scheduler flags. Now the system is updated with the new scheduler and we can start the test. So this is the new scheduler P2DQ with the schedule extended scheduler variant XCS P2DQ with the keep running scheduler flag, that is the extra scheduler flag. We wait for the test to complete and then we will observe the scores. multi-core test have started. So total 19 tests are repeated in the same sequence for single core and the multi-core CPU. So single core of CPU is tested with 19 tests in the first go, and in the second go they test all the cores of CPU using the same 19 tests in the same sequence. Now we will check out the scores. In P6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now you can see there is a good improvement in the multi-core scores, and also there is a small increment in the single core score as compared to the earlier test. Now we will check out all the scores from the first test to the last test. Keep an eye on the scores. See how it is increasing, then plateauing out, then it went little down, then it again improved, then it again went down, then it improved, and this is good. So that's it for today's video. In the next video we will check out another variant of the schedule extended scheduler.